fun. It's just me because the girls are not getting out here in this weather right now. But we got strong storms coming through. It's been raining for about 24 hours in Gatlinburg, and it's not going to stop until in the morning from what they're saying. We're here at Chimney Picnic Area, and check out this river. Obviously, when we get a good amount of rain in Gatlinburg, up on the peaks at 6,000 feet, 5,000 feet, they're getting even more precipitation there. So all that just funnels down into the valleys, and this is what you get. Just look at this coming off this rock here, this ledge. My feet are soaked. Just crazy, huh? There's like picnic tables right down by that water now because it's up so high. I'll try to find a picture of what it normally looks like and put it up beside this. Man, it is. Oh, we got some trees in the road here. Some wind. We're also getting some wind, not as much wind as you might expect, but we are getting some of that as well. We also had a big vine down across our road too. And this is where you normally see Mount LeConte, but today it's kind of covered up by the clouds.
Turkey's jumping.
Turkey out in the road, out in the rain.
Oh, his legs hurt, I think.
Check it out, guys. This is the remnants of Fred coming through Gatlinburg right now. I think it was just downgraded to a tropical depression. The water's just raging through here. You can see the debris in the water. It's a nasty sight. You can see it's almost over the bridge, almost up to the bridge, excuse me. Right here by the aquarium, the Greystone Lodge, and No Way Jose's. The bad news is we're supposed to keep getting rain throughout the night. We got flash flood warnings up until about 8 a.m. So it's not looking good down here. Yesterday, this same water was barely flowing through here. It just gives you an idea how quickly conditions can change when you're sitting at the foothills or down in the valleys, at least, of the Great Smoky Mountains with a tropical storm moving through. Back over here, Ripley's Aquarium. The water's just raging. And again, right here at the bridge. Here we are in front of the river terrace. I mean, it's just 5-6 feet from the bottom rooms. It is coming down. And right here are the steps that normally lead to a walkway, that where you can walk down by the river. And there's literally 5 steps showing. It's up on the trees over here. Crazy amount of rain. Under this little gazebo. And just a few feet from the bridge going over to the Edgewater. Shot right in front of the Edgewater here. I mean, that tree, it's up to the leaves. There's another set of stairs right there that normally lead down to the sidewalk on the river. 5-6 steps showing. I just want to say, guys, while it's all inspiring to watch nature kind of do what it does, just make sure that if you're here, if you're in anywhere where this hot water and heavy rain is occurring, just to make sure you maintain a safe distance from that water. If you see water over top of a road or anything like that, don't test it, don't try it. Just err on the side of caution and be safe out there, especially if you're down here right now on vacation. Do your due diligence and keep you and your family safe. All right, thanks guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.